close it? How do you end your lesson? The time's up. All right, guys, see you next week. That is actually, when I used to work with student teachers in the field, that is the hardest thing to do. Is you just taught all this information, but you need to put a bow on it. You need to close it. You need to solidify it in their head. All right. If you let them leave, it kind of becomes a loose end. So you always have to close it up, and it doesn't need to be a formal assessment. Well, it can be if you're closing a unit and you have to give an assessment, but it can be as simple as an exit ticket. It can be as simple as thumbs up, thumbs down. It can be a simple thing as just your muddiest point, exit tickets, a Kahoot game, Jeopardy, a journal, a note card that you don't even have to grade. I used to have exit tickets and they would hand out like, what question you have? What are some things like that? Anything that you can close that, maybe the 3-2-1 is 3 things you learn, 2 questions you have, how you're going to apply it, things like that. Anything that you can do to wrap that up. It can be 5 minutes. It can be longer depending on your class time. And these closure activities are really good, helps put that whole thing together for your lesson. And so you have to be intentional in building those in your lesson plan to do that. And those can be fun. And so what is something they learned that surprised them? Absolutely. There's a question. What is the muddiest point? Which is, what is the one thing that you're confused about? Because student X may have no problem with it, but student B over here is struggling with it. And that just helps you as an instructor figure out, okay, so I need to re-emphasize this point, or maybe not this point, clarify that. Games, the students always love that. Journal, reflection, any of those things. Those are really strong, good face-to-face things that they leave your classroom with a positive note after that.